Kibor peniyai ke School Christ School International lembat ke Kongkong Leach Loi Foundation. Kila penlong ke program ban Pynkup Burom ke Ngut ke Riew Khmat ke than chatela mingi ke bala tibru kum ke North East India Award. Haka jengelang ke belong ke Christ School International hanong seder. Haka ne ke singi bekerpang lawan ban aimen sem bat penshenganya ke program do Dr. Didi Lapang. Unong ai buj barang ba ke sorkar jela bala syeme ke benta kum ukong sang. Haka jingdon lang ru Dr. C Wargis. Principal ke Christ School International, Uloi founder ke Kongkong Leach Loi Foundation Guwahati, lambat kiwe kin thop nadu ki Scout and Guides, ki khot ka Rotary Club, ki kme ki pa bat ki khna school. La phya ai ki khusnam ki saw benta, hakabai ka khusnam jong kerdan peace, arjar kar khandai la yo priang du Reverend Dr. CP Anto, Director ke Peace Channel Kohima, ka Kong Silbi Pasa, teacher, composer and musician Shillong kala yo priang ya khusnam ka kerdan jong ka education and youth development. Ujobang Modi jongka Arunachal Charity Home, Pasighat, Arunachal Pradesh, uliyo priang hakardan social work, but Reverend Father Ronald Kharkrang, SDB Shillong hakardan tribal literature. Hakabakila yo ban priang hakustam diki mementos, but kasong pisa ba mar arpsan hajar tingkah.
When you're a child. Napoleon replied in one sentence. He replied in one sentence, and he said, I become great because the word impossible would not be found in my dictionary. Okay. Young friends, you will be there to say so. Can you say that? Can you have the courage to win? Dare to win should be the motto of a man to be somebody. Make your mindset free. There are people who are very selfish, self-centered, very narrow-minded. Their mindset cannot be accepted by the world. The mindset of the people who will shine should not be selfish, should not be narrow, and should be looking into the wider world. Reverend Dr. C.B. Andrew and Silvi Pasa, Reverend Father Roland Katra, Sri Modi. And glad to be here with the employee, the managing trustee of KKLL Foundation Khmat.